What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to configure this laptop to connect with via the Ethernet cord and connect it to this Crystal Instruments controller. It's pretty easy. So if you go on the Crystal Instruments website, they actually have like a little guide on how to configure the IP address, because there's an extra step in here. But the first step is you got to find out what the IP address is. And so if you don't know, you can just hold reset on the back of this thing 4 seconds, and then it'll go to its default. You hit reset, hold that for 4 seconds. Okay, so it reset. Just give it a moment. Alright, so then the next step is we gotta open up this front end IP address setup, which we have on this laptop. So let's open that up. Okay, so it found it. So what we do is we click, hit set static IP address. So then let's say here. Okay, so yep, so now the static IP address is like so. So yeah, there we go. Yep. Hit apply. Yep. Boom, boom. Okay. And that matches. I just clicked again. Okay, yep. 192.168.1.153. Yep. Okay, so that's good. So we set that. Now we got to go onto the PC and set that IP address. So let's close this out. Let's go to network status and tasks. So let's open this up. Open networks and sharing center. So this guy right here, Ethernet. Let's go change adapter settings. Right click on here, properties. So then you need to go to the Internet Protocol version 4. You hit properties. And now what you're going to do is you're going to change these to match this, except for one of these values is going to change. So which one is going to change? It says in here. Okay, so for the default, so we're going to set the default gateway and subnet mask identical to the spider. So default gateway and the subnet mask should be equal. So go back over here. So 192.168.1.5. Change this to a 1. And now so for the IP address, the first 3 should be identical and the 4th should be different. So the IP address, so this should be 1, and so if we want to just be different, so 192.168.1, let's go, instead of 153, let's go 154. So we do that. Okay, let's hit OK. Okay, now we should be connected, so let's hit close. Okay, so let's minus. Now let's open up this engineering data management software, which is the Crystal Instruments software. Let's open it up and let's see if we're connected. There we are. So let's open up one of the files. Okay, so if everything's right, we should be able to hit connect. Be good. Okay, so we're connected. So that's how you set up this laptop, which is the Shaker laptop, to be configured to the Crystal Instruments controller instead of the controller that we use downstairs. And that's how you hook it up using an Ethernet cord.